Travel photography is more than just snapping pictures. It's about capturing moments, telling stories, and making memories that last a lifetime. Whether you're exploring a new city, hiking through breathtaking landscapes, or documenting vibrant street scenes, the right photography techniques can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the best travel photography tips so you can take better travel photos. Whether you're using a professional camera or just your smartphone, from the best camera for travel photography to travel photography composition techniques, editing tricks, and even budget-friendly gear recommendations. If you're ready to level up your travel photography game, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let's dive in. Choosing the right gear is essential for capturing high-quality images while keeping your setup lightweight and travel-friendly. The best camera for travel photography depends on your needs, but mirrorless cameras like the Sony a7 IV or Canon EOS R6 offer a great balance of performance and portability. If you prefer something more compact, high-end point-and-shoot cameras like the Sony RX107 are fantastic options. For travelers on a budget, smartphone travel photography has come a long way, with devices like the iPhone 15 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, delivering stunning images. Don't forget about drone photography while traveling. Drones like the DJI Mini 3 Pro let you capture breathtaking aerial shots without taking up too much space in your bag. No matter what camera you use, understanding composition is key to creating visually compelling images. The rule of thirds helps balance your shots by placing key elements along imaginary grid lines. Leading lines, such as roads, rivers, or fences, naturally guide the viewer's eye into the image, creating depth and movement. Framing your subject using doorways, windows, or natural elements adds an artistic touch. If you want to take cinematic travel photos, experiment with foreground elements to create layers and depth. Solo travel photography tricks include using a tripod with a remote shutter, or incorporating reflections in mirrors, water, or windows for creative self-portraits. Lighting is one of the biggest factors in travel photography. The best times for shooting are during golden hour, just after sunrise and before sunset, when the light is soft and flattering. Street photography while traveling requires patience and quick reflexes, so be ready to capture spontaneous moments that tell a story. If you're shooting in harsh midday sunlight, look for shaded areas, or use a polarizing filter to reduce glare and enhance colors. Beginner travel photography tips include experimenting with different angles. Try shooting from a low perspective to make subjects appear more dynamic, or from a high vantage point for unique perspectives. Editing can transform a good photo into a stunning masterpiece. If you're wondering how to edit travel photos in Lightroom, start with adjusting exposure, contrast, and white balance to achieve a natural look. Use selective adjustments to enhance certain areas of your image without over-editing. Travel photography. Instagram hacks include using consistent presets to maintain a cohesive feed and adding subtle grain for a cinematic feel. For smartphone travel photography tips, apps like Snapseed and VSCO offer powerful editing tools on the go. You don't need expensive equipment to take incredible travel photos. Budget travel photography gear options include compact mirrorless cameras like the Fujifilm X-T30, or budget-friendly lenses such as the Canon 50mm f1.8, which works great for portraits and low-light scenes. If you're shooting on a smartphone, invest in a clip-on lens for wide-angle or macro shots. A lightweight tripod, such as the Ulanzi MT16, is perfect for stability without adding bulk to your luggage. Is there any gear you can't go without when taking travel photos? Let us know in the comments below. If you're passionate about photography, you might be wondering how to turn it into a career. Travel photography business tips include building a strong portfolio, leveraging social media, and collaborating with brands, tourism boards, or hotels. Selling prints, offering photo tours, or creating content for stock photo websites can generate additional income. Most importantly, consistency and networking are key to growing your presence in the industry. Travel photography is an art that allows you to relive your adventures and share them with the world. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, vibrant street life, or solo travel moments, the right techniques and gear can make all the difference. For more travel photography tips, destination guides, and insider tricks, visit ALLMYNE.com. And don't forget to download the ALLMYNE app from the Apple Store or Google Play to document and share your journey effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more travel inspiration, and drop a comment below with your favorite travel photography destination. Happy